Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be doing the while loop. Now let us consider this statement. Okay, now if I run this program, this statement will be displayed only once. So let's run the program, and yes, as you can see, the statement is displayed only once. Now suppose if I want to display the same statement 5 times, what do? I'll probably copy this statement and paste it 4 more times. Okay, and then run the code. Okay, and as you can see, it is displayed 5 times. But this does not look like a good programming practice. And in programming, you should always keep in mind that if you're doing any particular thing again and again, or if you're doing it repeatedly, then it is usually not a good way of programming. So you should always find out ways to optimize that code. Okay, so this does not look like a good code. Okay, so for solving this issue, we have something called as loops. And in this tutorial, I'll be doing the while loop. So a while loop looks something like this. Okay, so we have a while keyword which is followed by round brackets, and inside this round bracket we pass some condition. So as long as this condition is true, the code over here will be executed. Okay, so I'll explain this with an example. So I'll declare a variable I and I'll initialize it with 1. Okay, now inside this I'll pass some condition. So while I is less than equal to 5, okay, while I is less than equal to 5, execute this code. So I'll have to write some code over here. So I'll just shift this statement from here to this while statement. Okay, now what will happen is, first time the value of I will be 1, and as you can see, I is less than equal to 5. So this will be evaluated to true. So it will go inside and execute this code. Okay, so after this I'll have to add an increment operator. So I should be incremented over here. Okay, yes. So what will happen, first time it comes, it is less than equal to 5, so it will go inside and it will be incremented. So second time it will become 2, and again it is satisfying this condition, it will go inside and execute this code. And it will keep on doing this till the time I is less than or equal to 5. The moment I becomes greater than 5, the loop will break and it will come out. Okay, so this is the way it should work, and this program should give us the same output which we got last time. Okay, so let's run the program, and yes, you can see that it has displayed hello world 5 times. Okay, so this is the way a simple while loop works. In the next tutorial, I'll be doing some other looping statement. So thank you for now, and see you in the next tutorial.